Hi guys, so I have a review on Luxsb Perfumes for you guys. This is what it comes in right here. They did send me these for review purposes. I'm a little annoyed because I just recorded this video and didn't have my mic on. So I'm just gonna restart right now. So these come individually and you pay $15 a month. I know that they have a special, like if you sign up for the first time, it's like $10 a month if you want to try just once, try it out once. And they do give you different ones of these little sprayers. So they change throughout the time, so they have different colors. They did send me 3 months supply worth, but every month you would get a 1 month supply, which this is supposed to last you 30 days. So you can actually choose the scents that you want ahead of time, or you can actually just have them send you depending on the quiz that you take. You know, like if you like more floral or more fruity scents, then they will send them depending on that. Sadly, oh my god, that was my husband. 2 of the ones that I got do not pop out, and only 1 of them do. So I can't get the other 2 to pop out, and I don't want to like force it to, but it's supposed to pop out in and out like this, so you can actually like interchange them. So I don't know if I just have little defective ones, but only 1 of the 3 actually like pops out. So I am gonna let the customer service know, just in case, like if anyone wants one of these, then maybe they can you know, interchange it if you have issues with it, because this is the only one that like the whole little jar pops out of. So basically you can like pop it in and out, and it does twist up, and then you can, you know, carry this in your purse, take it with you on travel, and have your little perfume with you. So they do have other shades available, like purple, blue, green. And it says on their website that they interchange them. So you get a new one, I think like every 2 to 3 months, you get a new one of these little containers. And they have all kinds of brands on there, like Prada, Burberry. So they have all kinds of mixture of brands on there. You can definitely check them out. I will link them down below if you're interested. And this is really nice if you're into changing perfumes up all the time and just like not sticking to one perfume. You're not someone to really stick to one. And if, for example, you fall in love with one of those perfumes, they will give you the full size at a discounted rate. So you can buy that perfume at a discounted price from you know, like take away from the price that you already paid for this. So I thought that that was really cool of them as well. So it says that they can match you, or like I said, you can choose it, and you can even choose like for the calendar year. So you could actually like choose what you're gonna use in autumn, or for the fall, or you know, for springtime if you're into more floral scents for that time. And here you can actually see that you can open and close it, and then you can just lift it up for a refill. And it says, like I said, you could actually select per calendar day. And you can also rate your fragrances and help recommend to other members. Let me know down below, what are your thoughts on these fragrance subscriptions? Do you like them? Do you hate them? Like, I'd love to hear back from you guys down below. Like this video if you like this kind of review, or dislike it if you're not into this kind of subscription service, just so I know whether I should accept this kind of PR or not. And yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts down below. If you've tried something like this, what are your thoughts? And thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.